big challenge will be, Aman, to ensure that India bloc. Okay, we are going to try, and I'll just come back to you in a bit. So that's the big story that we are tracking, and even as we speak, the meeting has begun at Mr. Kharge's room inside the Parliament. Rahul Gandhi, of course, being present there. The Trinamool Congress wanting to stay away, and it will be interesting to see how many of the India bloc leaders are actually going to be a part of it. Before I come to you, Aman, we do have some reactions coming in from inside the Parliament. Let's listen into them.
कुछ होता है वो सरकार की मंशा से हो रहा है, हम लोगों की मंशा तो होती नहीं, तो हमें तो उम्मीद कुछ भी नहीं है। हमारे जो मुद्दे हैं उनको हम उठाएंगे और इजाज़त नहीं दोगी तो हाउस नहीं चलेगा। मुख्य मुद्दा SIR का है, क्योंकि इस सरकार के बड़े बड़े पदों पर बैठे हुए लोग बिहार में जब से चल रहा था तब से लगातार घुसपैठियों की बात कर रहे हैं। इनका मंशा है कुछ वैलिड वोटों को काट दो और उनको कहो कि ये घुसपैठी है, वो हम होने नहीं देंगे।
SIR को लेकर के BLOs की मौत को लेकर के डिस्कशन आप लोग चाहते हैं, क्या सरकार अगर डिस्कशन अलाउ नहीं करती तो भी सदन चलेगा? कोई बीच का रास्ता है कि नहीं?
चुनाव प्रक्रिया में हम सुधार चाहते हैं, इस पर व्यापक चर्चा एक बार नहीं कई बार, सदन के रिकॉर्ड सच। मैं नहीं जानता इस सरकार को कौन सी चोरी कर रही है। इलेक्शन कमीशन तो रोक नहीं सकता, कराना सरकार को है। क्यों सरकार डर रही है? क्या दोनों की मिली भगत है? और वो दिख रहा है। फिर मैं नहीं समझता कितनी असंवेदनशील सरकार हो सकती है। इतनी मौतें हो गई। या सुबह में देख रहा था मुरादाबाद में भी किसी ने आत्महत्या की। तो ये जो मानसिक दबाव है, एक कम समय में एक अशुद्ध जिसमें पूरी तरीके से लोगों का प्रतिनिधित्व न हो, मत दाता सूची बनाई जा रही है, उसी की तो हमें आपत्ति।
So you've heard the Congress party and the opposition leaders there making their agenda very clear. But Aman, how much of the Vande Mataram discussion, which is primary on the government's agenda in the first week itself, do you think the Congress will not participate at all? They've given indication in the Business Advisory Committee, but the other opposition members are on board. So how do you see that discussion coming through?
I think the Congress is questioning even the need for such a discussion. I don't think it will go down well. This is the 150th year of Vande Mataram. The Prime Minister has also spoken about it on many occasions in his Mann Ki Baat address as well. And I think the government in every session now is trying to do a special day maybe. You know, we had a discussion on the Constitution. We have now a discussion on Vande Mataram. I think the government's point that the Parliament session should also not just be about bills, it should also be about commemorating our big historical occasion. I think that is the idea of the government is, I believe the TMC yesterday said it would be a part of the Vande Mataram discussion, but the Congress is not willing to be a part of it, saying that the SIR issue should be discussed first. So I think there's a kind of a split in the opposition ranks as well. I would also be looking forward to what the Prime Minister says. Does he mention about the Vande Mataram special discussion that the government is planning?
I hear the pilot vehicle, so any moment now you could see
the Prime Minister
coming in.
Inside. So it would be very interesting. I think today's Prime Minister's address will come after the big Bihar win as well. The government, has wind in its sails, I would say, after the 4 big election victories, and saying that the opposition may blame it on SIR, but the fact is that a thumping majority has come to the BJP in all these 4 big state elections which have happened since 2024. Also, I will be looking forward to see what the Prime Minister has an advice for the opposition.
The is already going in, but like you said, we'll have to wait and see what he says. Yeah.
And also, I think the Prime Minister, in every of his speeches just before the Parliament session begins, I'm now seeing kind of a pattern where he gives his advice to the opposition that, young MPs of your own parties are not getting a chance to speak because the opposition leaders want to disrupt the Parliament every time. So I think the Prime Minister may again stress on it that don't let your electoral frustrations come into the way of the working of the Parliament. Election is over. Now it's time to get down to serious legislative business, contribute to it, help the government pass these bills. These are for public good. Some important bills have been listed in this particular session, but I don't see much hope. I think much of these 2 weeks of the Parliament session, the 15 sittings, I could see a washout because of the SIR issue.
Okay, so there are strong words. Okay, so there are strong words which are now coming in from the opposition parties. In fact, both the Samajwadi Party, the Congress, all of them have made it very clear. We are not going to allow the House to run till you don't debate and discuss SIR. So it's a